Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make lamb curry. This recipe is super delicious and it's perfect for Eid. You'll need 3 kilos of lamb meat, whole methi, add in the meat, 5 large onions, 1 tablespoon of salt. Add in these spices. Mix it all together. "30 minutes later, add the garlic and ginger paste. Mix it all together. Let it sit for half an hour. 1 teaspoon of hollowed, 1 tablespoon of chillie, 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1 tablespoon of Garam, 1 teaspoon of Garam masala, 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Mix it all together. "10 minutes later, add the water. Mix it all together. "10 minutes later, add the chillie. "5 minutes later, this is how it should look like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys, have a good day.